Ọlọ́run, Egungun don finally land for express. Abba Kyari don yamutu. Abba Kyari don die as una dey hear so, Not be say na news again. Go everywhere, go Al Jazeera, go CNN, anywhere you can, anything you can name it. Just go find out yourself. The news don full everywhere. Now the oga patapata, the special advisor, when he dey publicize anything, when it happen, when they carry news for Aso Rock, the special man, when he be say in with Buhari na 5 and 6, anything when it happen for inside Aso Rock, now he go bring the matter come out. Now he come out, he name na Femi Adesina, now he carry the news come out, say this Abba Kyari say he don't he don't go. For me, I don't believe say na Abba Kyari na he die. Because if you now look am, for me I dey think say e don't reach time when they want to put am for ground. The thing not go let them hide again. Now make them come out, announce officially say he don't die. Because if you look at Madam Kemi don't already talk this thing. He don't predict this thing 2 weeks ago. They never even reach 2 weeks finish self. When she come out, she come talk say, make all of us maybe Nigerians, make we put our ear down. Say big news when we not expect, and person when we not expect will soon hear the news from Aso Rock. The thing will come out. Say she gets special person when he dey for inside that Aso Rock, when they give her the news. Many people don't believe. I still see at that time when she made the statement. Many people say, hey, go sit down. Say, nah, where na she be. Say her head not correct. Everything when they talk, say not correct. But now, many people they when they hate her now. For the fact say you don't like somebody, no me say anything when that person they talk, say the thing nah yeah. Say anything when that person they talk, say sense not there for inside. If you even look and say now, those people when be say they be yeah when be say they don't get house, they don't get anything. You see some all those kind of mad people that time when be say they be like drunkard. The things when they talk, most of them are reality. For the fact say you don't like person, don't miss anything when that person they talk, say not be the fact, not be that person they talk. Since when this COVID enter Nigeria, me and friend know say different news go happen. The only thing when I found the play, I say God, I beg, we get loved ones for there. The poor people when they for inside, now say make God really protect for inside. Because if you say make you look at the people when he put the law, the time when the thing join enter Nigeria, now this Abba Kyari and a gang, crew members, now all of them place that law, say may everybody stay house. Now lockdown, social distancing, may they not do this one, may they not do this one. See soldiers, they harass poor people here and there. Then come carry their bag, now you come come out saying they go summit. Go do waiting. A man of about 70 years, waiting you want go do for Germany, waiting you know. We not get president. How you come be say now you go come go they represent president? When be say the president they are alive. If not true, say the president they are alive. Why must it be say now they represent president every time? Anytime when you just call Buhari name, you go only just hear that name for your ear, say Buhari. The person when you go see physically, now Abba Kyari. And you never see to I still see him for inside the same news say the Buhari picking when they call Zara Buhari. He come out, he say now so God they punish bad people. Say he pray make the Abba Kyari make it no well, make it no see head for this COVID when he catch him. I can't wonder. I can't say why this small girl can't they make this kind of statement? Then I can't find out say in mama, that is Buhari wife and this Abba Kyari, they know they agree at all because they say the way Abba Kyari they control the whole Nigeria, the way they manipulate Nigeria. Now so it's they control Aso Rock. Now so it's they control Buhari and his wife and his family. Now they talk the final say. So the daughter now he get that pains for mind. So not be only Nigeria self. They vex the way they handle Nigeria. Even the Aso Rock itself, the family when they say they self they vex for themselves. This man can't carry back, can't carry kaya, can't go Germany. He say one go represent. What he can't carry come back? He can't carry COVID enter Nigeria. Let's assume he say a poor man I carry that kind of thing enter Nigeria now. That man for don't be history. They can't keep him, they can't hide him. They can't they do him small. Then say Nigerians they not go know. Finally, the man can't wait. Now, when they hear the story, when this Kemi Oluluye come talk, say, we will soon hear news. Now, say, it be like, say, water don't they pass Gary. And this P-Square wife, this 2 brothers, when they sing, one of them, their wife, come out, come talk, say, make Nigeria ask for the whereabouts of Abba Kyari. Before she talk that thing, now so message don't come from Aso Rock. Who are you? They don't even know what that person like you they exist for Nigeria. Mind your business. We don't even know. You don't have right to ask the whereabouts. Whereas I they think say this man he go don yamu to that time. This Abba Kyari go don yamu to that time. They just keep and they wait for the time when we say the time when they want to bury him. Say he go don near before they will come announce officially. Yes, Una go even see the picture for them. They no dey waste time. They don't already bury this man, so they talk. So they don't put am for ground sharp sharp. Una know say Muslim people, they no dey waste time. And it not be like us when say one person go yamutu, they will come put the person for a different place. Come they prepare for the obito. Come they prepare for obituary. They do different things. They don't get that time. If you like na president, even that Buhari one they see so. If you be say you never first payment before, if you be say you never yamutu before, if you come yamutu for real, because as I hear some people say not being, some say na, so we never still know. We are still waiting for the final say. We dey here now to they give una the news. So if you just yamutu, they no dey waste time. Now sharp they will put am for ground. They know they do obito. They don't know say they call obito. So my people wanna see am. So anybody will be saying no, they take Madam Kemi word seriously. Make it try they take am seriously now. For the fact say Madam Kemi take mouth touch person when be say you be fans and you like that person, because you like that person, don't be so sentimental. Say if she talk true, you go say na like because say you like that person. No. Most of the things when she dey talk, because I dey follow this woman from time, most of the things when she dey talk, they based on facts. They based on facts. Because I dey see most things when they talk. If you talk the thing, at the end of the day, the thing will come to real. Because this woman, e don't work for many people, e don't go many places, and e get many positions for that Nigeria. Mona forget say she be like that. So any small news, even when they do blog herself, will be smally for where she did. So before she don't get the real news come out, before we go come they know. So I wonder why some people not go still won't believe say na so. And apart from that one, this Abakari when he yamutu so, if na good person, as in yamutu so Nigerians they supposed to dey mourn, they go they cry, they go they in pain. Instead, if you reach Nigeria and they say everybody they jubilate, even to the extent when I hear the news, now so I carry phone quick. I call my people for her say, see what we hear, not true. My sister say not true. Now dance now with this since so we they wait for the next one. We don't know who be the next one. Anyway, my people, anyhow when it be, they still say give respect to the dead. So anyhow when it be, we go see say may so rest in peace. And I pray may God forgive her anywhere when it they may God still find where put her for the right place. And so I will still talk my own issue. I don't know what you think. I don't know how you feel. So it good make person they do something well for this life. Lesson we will learn for this kind of thing. Person need to they live well, because this life vanity upon vanity, they are all vanity. We they fight for power, we they fight for fame, we they fight for position. We all this thing won't end. At the end of the day, okay, see the way this man just go. And most Nigerians now see they talk say, now so the thing go take visit all of them for that sort of one by one. Why? Because they don't get good record. They don't get good record. Okay, see this COVID when it happen now, poor men and then they suffer. Now then will be the rich men and then carry the thing come. Now some of them don't start to the yamutu. The poor men will be say the thing don't even touch. Anything never happened to them. If you see the one when he die for inside, no any poor man when you see say for Nigeria say he don't yamutu. No be COVID, no be killer. Now soldier and police, now then do what they their hand. And hunger, now they kill them. Now this big men when they travel, now then go they carry the thing come. Now then the thing they attack. Poor man when no see food eat, now he won't travel. Where won't go? Apart from market, enter house, or go do Okada, enter house. I bet make una try, make una they live well. This our politicians and this people when they for Aso Rock and people when they rule Nigeria, because people like the Tinubu now they go they get example. At least as they see this one now they go say this thing are real oh, they go don't they fear, because when the news come, they not to take the thing serious. They still they travel, they still they do waiting their life. They don't say I beg it now white man sickness, you know go do anything. And Nigeria son go kill him. Black man power, black man power strong person. Now uncle, why we can't they hear all this kind of story now? And apart from that one again, another thing I won't forget, this place when they say they go put on for ground, so una don't see the crowd of people when they there for them. Una don't see the crowd of people when they there for there. That one are social distances, my people. That one are social distance. This are people when they place law. This one are lawmaker. I be they be lawbreakers. My people, I bet make una help me answer that question. So I don't know how now see the matter. If you get any of your contribution, just leave your comment below at the comment section, my people. I will see Bruna more update for this matter, because the news is long well for ground. I know if you talk all of them for here, so I will still bring una more update. The more news they come, the more gist they come. Now so I will still let you know they know. I beg my people, if you never subscribe to this my channel, I beg, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now that notification bell, it be like one small bell they draw near where they write subscribe, but just click them. Now that one, if you don't subscribe, you just click that one. Now that one go they bring message, come your phone, say anytime when I upload new video, now you go just be the first person when you go just get message with that one. I don't feel they miss my gist. So my people, if you get any comment, just leave your comment at the comment section. So I know what to say when I will come back to your way again. I know what to say when I will see me again. I will show again. So my people, I hope to see you next time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.